If the glass on your vehicle is plagued by water spots, road film, or is just plain dirty, the Pinnacle Crystal Clear Glass Kit is the perfect solution. This kit contains everything you need to clean, polish, and protect your glass. Each product in the kit is designed to work as a system. We've carefully selected the proper applicators and towels to use with each product, making it as simple as 1, 2, 3. The first step in restoring your glass is to clean it using the Crystal Clear Glass Cleaner. This product is very easy to use and will not streak or smear. The second step is to polish the glass using Glasswork Water Spot Remover. This product contains mild abrasives and a powerful citrus agent that gently removes road film, water spots, and embedded dirt. Once the glass is crystal clear, apply the glass coat window sealant with rain repellent. The hydrophobic coating causes water to bead up and fly off the windshield, rendering your windshield wipers virtually useless. It will also make future cleaning much easier. The best part about the kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.